Hello and welcome to our family workshop. We're looking at scroll saw blades. It's an important part of the process. It's important when it comes to the work that you do that you got the right blades. So we're focusing on one specific thing. In previous videos, we've looked at the number system, and in our beginner's guide, we went through this before, but I want us to focus solely on T.P.I. So the first question, if you're watching this video, that you might have, what on earth is T.P.I? T.P.I stands for teeth per inch, and it's a very simple idea. The more teeth that you have on your scroll saw blade, the finer the finish you will get when using it. So there you go, simple, end of video, no? Well, it's not as simple as that, because the more teeth that you have, the slower the feed speed on your scroll saw. It's a little bit more complicated than it may first seem, because for ourselves, we generally find that fewer teeth per inch is better than having a lot of teeth per inch. So what amounts are we talking? The ideal for ourselves, I would say, is sort of between 8 and 10 teeth per inch. We're working in hardwoods between ½ an inch and an inch in thickness. Won't touch on it too much, but just to touch on it, the number system, the ideal for ourselves is usually around about 7 to 9. So why is that? Well, basically, the number system is to do with the thickness of wood that we're cutting out, but the T.P.I, the tooth per inch, the important part of that is the less teeth you have, the faster the feed speed. And what we find is that somewhere between 8 and 10 teeth per inches gives us a fine enough finish that we do not have to spend a considerable amount of time afterwards sanding, but it also gives us a faster feed speed. So it means that we can have a payoff between quality of finish and speed of production. That's the level that works for us. If you're doing finer work and you need a very, very high quality finish, and I would say an extremely high quality finish, you may need more teeth per inch. But for ourselves working in hardwood, because that has a factor in this as well, the type of material you're working in, those fewer teeth allow us to feed the item through the scroll saw at a more natural rate. It gives us a quality finish, and it means that we're able to do our job more quickly and more effectively. As always then, there's all sorts of different blades. You have standard, spiral, reverse tooth, skip tooth, hook, reverse skip tooth, modified geometry. There's so many different ones. As we always say, it's worth having a little bit of a time when you first get into scroll sawing, where you try different brands, different styles, different types of blades. Give it a go, find out what suits you best. But in this video, we're focusing on that one single thing, and that is T.P.I, teeth per inch. And that is the basic rule of thumb. The more teeth you have per inch, the more fine the finish. The less you have, the faster the feed speeds. So it is a matter of finding the right balance that suits yourself. If you're asking for our own choice of blade, for over 20 years, we have worked with the Nikwa Speed, because recently I found out there's different types of Nikwa reverse tooth number 9 blades, and that's the one we work with, the Nikwa Speed reverse tooth number 9 blade. It's the perfect balance when it comes to the thickness of wood that it can cut, as in ½ an inch to an inch in thickness, and the speed that it can feed, because it's around about 8 to 10 teeth per inch. So it does the job we want it to do. Hopefully that's useful. Let us know in the comment section if you've got any questions about T.P.I, teeth per inch, or anything to do with scroll saws and scroll saw blades. We know we've all got different preferences, so I'm sure you've all got different ideas. Get that in the comment section as well. What's your favorite blade? We've got videos coming up where we're going to trial all sorts of different blades and share what we feel about it. But again, it's by no means a definitive guide. If you're new here and it's been useful and you like what you see, don't forget, subscribe and ring that bell so you know when we upload another video. And as always, thank you again for watching.